One of the most basic ways to calculate interest is by using the simple interest formula. The simple interest formula says that the earned interest is equal to the product of the initial principal multiplied by the rate, and this percent rate would need to be converted to a decimal, and then we'd multiply that by the time in years. Let's look at an example. Suppose we have $8,750 in a savings account that pays 6% interest that's calculated according to a simple interest formula. Part A says how much would we earn after 4 years. So essentially we're being asked to find the interest. Using the simple interest formula, I is equal to, P stands for the initial principal, and the initial amount that we invested was $8,750. So we'll multiply $8,750 by R, which is the annual interest rate. And remember, we'll need to convert this to a decimal quantity. The annual interest rate was 6%, but when we convert percentages to a decimal, we're going to move the decimal to the left 2 places. So we'll multiply this by 0.06. And then finally, we multiply that by the amount of time in years. We're told in the problem that we are investing for 4 years, so we then multiply all of this by 4. When we multiply these quantities together, we see that the earned interest is going to be $2,100, and that's the answer to Part A. In Part B, we're asked to find what the new balance is going to be, and let's use Cap A to represent the maturity value. The maturity value is basically going to be calculated by taking the initial principal and then adding the earned interest to it. So we'll say $8,750, which was the initial principal, and then the earned interest was $2,100. So the total amount, or the new balance, is going to be $10,850 at the end of those 4 years.